Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Para app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Para is a gig driver utility app designed to help workers manage and maximize their earnings across multiple delivery platforms like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub. It offers key features such as real-time trip data, mileage tracking, tip estimates, and auto-decline options for low-paying gigs. The goal is to provide more control and transparency to gig drivers, helping them make better decisions and boost efficiency. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The interface is straightforward and easy to use, especially for multi-app drivers. Users appreciate the tip prediction feature and the ability to filter out underpaid or unprofitable jobs. The app syncs with your delivery apps and provides useful metrics on your income, hours worked, and job history, making it easier to plan your schedule and track progress. However, it's not without flaws. Some users report occasional syncing issues, especially after delivery app updates. Others mention that tip predictions can sometimes be inaccurate, depending on the platform's limitations. There's also concern that certain delivery apps may restrict or block usage of third-party tools, so it's important to stay informed about platform policies. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Para is a helpful companion for gig drivers who want to work smarter, not harder. With smart filters, income tracking, and multi-app support, it empowers workers to take more control over their gig work. But like any tool, it works best when paired with awareness and caution around delivery platform rules. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.